Hi, Melissa. I know we're scheduled for our Curl Talk now. Since you weren't able to join, no worries at all. I figured I'd put together a little video to answer the question you asked in your survey, which is how to use properly for getting even curls, that you're getting tighter curls at the bottom, which you don't want. So here are my tips and tricks on that front. Let me first take down my RobeCurls Curling Headband. One thing I'll note right here is you're going to want to make sure that each wrap is touching the last one. So I'll give you some tips on how to do that, and then also that you're not tying your scrunchie too tight on the bottom. Those are the two key tips. So how do we do that? Let me show you how I like to wrap the hair. So when you take your front section and you wrap it over and under, I like to use my thumb on that hand to press down the wrap job I just did, so that you can easily grab another section right under the first and combine, smooth it out, and wrap it over and under. This just gives you more control with each wrap, and so that way you can make sure each wrap touches the last, and that'll help to ensure that the curls turn out consistently, because what you don't want is like a gap like this. When you see the blue or your headband popping through, that's what you're trying to avoid. And so I find the thumb trick is a good way to just give you a little bit more control after each wrap. And then as a note, once you get to about ear level, just add all the hair and combine it into one section. So that way the curls will start sooner in the back. There's no need to just keep doing bit by bit, and you'll avoid getting this like awkward poof looking thing over here. Now, once you get to the bottom, here's our scrunchie. They're super stretchy. And so you should only do at most like 3 wraps around it. And that's about it. If you have a couple pieces that are splaying off in the end, that's fine. But you don't want to like use a scrunchie that's like super tight, or use ours and do like 4 wraps. It's just going to compress it too much. 3 wraps is all you need at most, maybe 2 if you have extra thick hair. And then once you're done, if you want tighter curls, you can twist to tighten. You want looser curls, twist the other way. It'll loosen it up a little bit, and I'll just do it consistently across the whole headband. And then once you're done with that, you can always cross and tuck, and then just make sure your hair is 100% dry before taking out your curling headband. Hope this video helps. And as a reminder, you can always reschedule our one-on-one in case you still need some more tips. Always more than happy to help. Thanks.